include the use of dangerous drugs. Ang linaw nito. O, ngayon, anong kakombinasyon nito? Ang kombinasyon nito, merong FDA, Compassionate Special Permit, Circular number 2014009. Nakalagay, the FDA law, precise right now, provides access to drugs and medicines that are not just registered in the Philippines for compassionate use, but it is the attending physician's responsibility to apply for the substance permit from the FDA. Meron din ang Dangerous Drugs Board na policy to that effect. Pwede kang mag-apply ng permit. Alright. Now, ito, report ng FDA ito. As of October 2017, wala pa yung bago ngayon 2017, it has received an average of 50 applications a month for compassionate special permits, mostly for cancer medication. So as of September 30, 583 out of the 585 were granted. Diba? 558 out of the 565 in 2016 pa nga, applications were approved. So it's really a matter of information campaign.
Maliwanag.
And yes, including marijuana. And